Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session. All our portions finished, and today I am going to conduct a revision of lesson metric measures. In that lesson, we learned measuring length, measuring weight, and measuring capacity. First, we are doing the revision of measuring length. So, lesson's name is metric measures. Metric measures. First, we are doing the revision of measuring length. Measuring length. In this section, we should learn how to convert kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer, centimeter to meter. Okay. For converting all these, we should know the basic concepts. Okay. So first we are doing the revision of measuring length. In that portion, we learned about different units of length. This kilometer, highest unit is kilometer, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. These are the different units of length, and millimeter is the smallest and kilometer is the highest we learned in that. Now we are doing the revision of conversion of units. How do we convert these units? Okay. For that, we should learn the basic ideas, basic concepts of this. That is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. These you should keep in your mind. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So before that, one question is there. Put correct symbol. Insert correct symbol. Correct symbol. For that, 2 meter, 20 centimeter, 400 centimeter, 4 meter, 320 meter, 320 centimeter, 4000 meter, 4 kilometer, 5 meter, 5 centimeter. So we are putting the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. These we want to put in this symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay. Then here 2 meter. 2 meter 20 centimeter. Compare both this. 2 meter 20 centimeter. 2 meter is higher than or greater than 20 centimeter. So greater than. 400 centimeter 4 meter. Compare this. 400 centimeter 4 meter. 4 meter is how much centimeter? 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeters. So both sides are equal. So the symbol will come like this. Understood? 4 meter equals 400 centimeters. So here also 400 centimeter, here also 400 centimeter. Centimeter not given, 4 meter given. So both are equal. So put equal sign. Here 320 meter, 320 centimeter. So 320 meter is obviously greater than 320 centimeter. 4000 meter, 4 kilometer. Here 4000 meter, 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meters. So both sides are equal. So equal sign put. Then 5 meter, 5 centimeter. meter always greater than centimeter. So 5 meter is greater than. Unit digits are equal here. What? Digits are equal here, but you look at the units. Here meter given, here centimeter given. So units are separate. So this is meter is higher than centimeter. So 5 meter is greater than 5 centimeter. Okay. So next we are doing the conversion. Convert the following. That is 6 kilometer is equal to dash meter. 17 centimeter is equal to dash meter. 5 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter. 468 kilometer is equal to dash meter. 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter. 6 kilometer we want to convert into meter. So for that we should know the basic idea. What is that? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 6 kilometer is equal to 6000. 6 into 1000 meter. That is 6000 meter. 17 centimeter is equal to dash meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 17 centimeter. Here you look. Here we are converting smaller unit to higher unit. Centimeter is smaller than meter. We are converting smaller unit to higher unit. So there will be division. If we are converting smaller unit to a higher unit, then there should be a division will come. Then with what number we are dividing? For that, we should know the concept. That is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So if we want to convert centimeter to meter, we should divide by 100. So 17 divided by 100. You learn the decimals. So 17 divided by 100 is equal to 0.17. 2 digits we want here after decimal point. So 0.17 meter. Kilometer to dash centimeter. For that, we should remember the steps. So always remember, if you want to convert kilometer to centimeter, this is higher unit we are converting to smaller units, so multiplication will come. So multiply with the 1 lakh, then 5 lakh, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5 will come. So 5 zeros and 5, that is 5 lakh centimeter. Okay, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. This you should learn by heart. Okay. Then that's over. Then 468 kilometer we are converting to meter. Here higher unit to smaller unit. So 468 into 1000, that is 468,000. That was meter. Okay. So that's about the conversion. Then 8000 meter. 8000 meter. How much? Kilometer. Meter, centimeter. 612 meter, how much centimeter? 2900 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So here we are converting 8000 meter. How much kilometer? Here we are smaller unit, we are converting to higher unit. So 8000 meter, that division will come. So with what number we are dividing? Dividing by 1000. So 8000 meter is equal to 8000 by 1000, 8 kilometer. Then here 612 we are converting to meter to centimeter. That is multiplication will come. Higher unit we are converting to smaller unit. So multiplication will come. So 612 into 100. That is 61200 centimeter. Division will come there. That is 2900 divided by 1000. What will come? 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 29 by 10. That is 2.9 kilometer. Okay. So that's about the conversion. Measuring weight. So which are the units coming in that? So these are the different units of weight. Kilogram is the highest. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. So 10 steps moving upwards. Then 10 milligram is 1 centigram. 10 centigram is 1 decigram. 10 decigram is 1 gram. 10 gram is 1 decagram. Like that it goes. Okay. So this is a smaller unit and this is the higher unit. Okay. If we want to convert the smaller unit to higher unit, we should do the division. If we want to convert higher unit to smaller unit, we are doing the multiplication. Okay. So here, insert the correct symbol. Insert the correct symbol. Okay. So 120 kilogram, 2000 gram, 34,000 milligram, 34 gram, 256 gram, 3 kilogram, 9,500 gram, 9.5 kilogram. So we want to put less than, greater than or equal to. Here 120 kilogram, 2000 gram. We can easily say that because kilogram is higher than gram. So that is greater. 120 kilogram is greater than 2000 gram. Then 34,000 milligram, 34 gram. 34,000 milligram, 34 gram. 34 gram is how much milligram? So 34,000 milligram is equal to 34 gram equals. 34 gram is equal to 34,000 milligram. So both are same, so equal. Here 256 gram, 3 kilogram. That is less than gram kilogram. Then 9,500 gram, 9.5 kilogram. So this 9,500 gram divided by 1000. Gram we are converting to kilogram. Then 95 by 10, that is 9.5. Yes, that is equals. 9.5 kilogram is equal to 9,500 gram. Equals will come there. Okay. With this 17 kilogram we want to convert it into gram. So kilogram to gram, higher to smaller. So 17 what gram into 1000. 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So 17 into 1000, that is 1,700. No, 17,000. 17,000 gram is 17 kilogram. Isn't it? Then 5,000 gram. How much kilogram? 5 kilogram. Division will come there. Then 126 gram. How much kilogram? That is 126 by 1000. That is equal to 0.126 kilogram. Here 700 gram dash milligram. Gram is higher. We are converting it into milligram. So if we want to convert gram to milligram, multiply by 1000. So 7,000 into 1000. That is 700 gram we are converting to milligram. Gram when we convert it to milligram, we should multiply by 1000. So 700 into 1000. That is 7 lakh milligram. Okay. Today that much, children. Thank you and have a nice day.
Look at the kids. They are so excited. They are going to a farm to plant some saplings with their teachers. So, why not learn the conversion with them? Let's begin. Look, they have reached the farm. The school bus driver drove 9,200 meters from the school to the farm. So, how much distance did he drive in kilometers? Here, we have to find out the answer in kilometers. So, we need to convert the meters into kilometers. We already know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Here, we have to convert 9200 meters into kilometers. Look at the number 9200. Here, the first 3 digits from the right show the meters, that is 200, and the remaining digit shows the kilometer, that is 9. So, 9200 meters is equal to 9 kilometer 200 meters. Hence, the driver drove 9 kilometers 200 meters from the school to the farm. Now it's time to plant some trees. The children of Standard 1 and 2 have planted the saplings over a distance of 785 centimeters from each other. How much is the distance between the two plantations in meters and centimeters? To find the answer, we need to convert centimeters into meters and centimeters. So, let's start. We already know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Here, the given distance is 785 centimeters. The first 2 digits from the right show the centimeters, that is 85. And the remaining digits show the meters. Here it is 7. Therefore, 785 centimeters is equal to 7 meters 85 centimeters. So, the distance between two plantations is 7 meters 85 centimeters. Wow! It was so much fun learning conversion while planting the saplings.